The crypto market is creative and progressive based on its conditions. Today, we have over 20,000 plus crypto projects presenting some new idea each and every other week. Notwithstanding, how frequently do you run over a task that reforms blockchain? Indeed, we're discussing Universe, the brainchild behind a between-associated blockchain environment. The task is a somewhat new idea and plans to remodel the DeFi space with highlights and usefulness. Be that as it may, could this token be a reasonable venture over the long haul? We should find out as we investigate the center essentials and the fundamentals encompassing this crypto project. We should get everything rolling. Universe token outline. The Universe project is one of the basic undertakings in crypto's set of experiences. The thought behind the venture was to prompt correspondence in the blockchain space. At first, blockchain was autonomous when it was made and couldn't collaborate with the other bullish on-chain measurements. Furthermore, accomplishing a high exchange speed demonstrated testing. Enter Universe, a new mechanical viewpoint for blockchain. The task spins around the novel thought of framing an environment for blockchains in a way where they can speak with each other. Likewise, the Hyperblocks division of the business works validators that add to the Universe blockchain's security. For approving exchanges, the Universe network utilizes the offbeat Byzantine issue lenient agreement model. A coin here on Universe center point is called Universe. Tokens called IOTA are utilized for security. Set forth plainly, Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure is a framework's perseverance to a class of disappointments got on by the issue's Byzantine commanders. Particle token value estimate. Universe, a concentrated, versatile organization, intends to lay out the web of blockchains. A biological system of decentralized blockchains fit for speaking with each other, however, are not associated, is alluded to as the web of blockchains. Different blockchains are connected to each other utilizing the supposed cross-chain arrangement. The BFT agreement strategy is utilized by Universe, a clever creation that is insusceptible to agreement imperfections. Many benefits have helped the blockchain business energetic development rapidly get the overall population's advantage. Nonetheless, they likewise focus on a few specialized issues and bottlenecks impeding inescapable execution. Universe had created to handle the most difficult issues confronting the blockchain area. The cost of Universe is of late soar, amazing many individuals, including numerous enormous hands. Starting from the start, record-breaking amounts had not been seen, and they pushed the worth to new highs. To assist you with understanding Universe better, we have given both a specialized investigation and a key examination. Universe token value expectation for 2022, possible return for money invested. 58%. The Universe digital currency began 2022 off solid, ascending from its $21.22, falling short on December 17, 2021, by 97.9% to $41.99 on January 4, 2022. Then, at that point, on January 16, 2022, there was a subsequent blast, and Molecule's worth expanded to $43.61. There were different reasons for this. Beginning its excursion in 2022, Molecule was esteemed at $32.52, rapidly moving to $44.67 throughout the week. Conversely, the market immediately recuperated to $37.17 by January 24th. By January 31st, the cost had fallen back to $25.77. By February 7th, the altcoin had picked up impressive speed, moving to the value level of $33.28. Nonetheless, industry turmoil made the value ascend to $23.21 by February 22nd. From that point forward, on Walk 4, the computerized resource showed a 49.7% increment, coming to $34.89. The quarter's exchanging finished at $30.14 after a slump and an advantage. Universe encountered a fierce second quarter like the remainder of the digital forms of money available. Alarm liquidations were provoked by fresh insight about the insolvency of notable brands, which made Universe lose over 81% of its worth. To start with, Universe declared that it was drawing near to being EVM convention viable, empowering the exchange of resources and undertakings essentially running on the Ethereum organization to Universe. Second, the undertaking declared the establishment of a liquidity marking module to a stage, which would furnish the stake's chain resources with greater usefulness. Yet, prior to beginning a negative run until the end of 2022, IOTA was at absolutely no point in the future so close to its record high. The start of the contention among Russia and Ukraine and Bitcoin's decline beneath $27,000 added to a more extensive negative disposition in the cryptographic money market. The token dropped around 79% of its worth and dropped to around $9 by mid-May 2022. The coin was valued at $10.20 as of July 19, 2022. Toward the start of Walk 2022, The organization's gravity extension gave a few accomplishments, including the arrival of Molecule with Ethereum DEFI and the Universe Stargaze NFT stage, teaming up with Gravity Scaffold to move NFTs from Ethereum to Universe. The Interchain Records module, which can possibly build interoperability, traffic, and composability, was formally sent off as a component of Universe's Theta update in April 2022. A couple of updates, including the Rho and V9 Lambda refreshes, are expected from the Universe organization. The Rho update would make it conceivable to utilize Tendermint 0.35, fluid marking, and different elements. Among different elements, the Lambda update would incorporate interchain security. The fundamental updates would push the expense of IOTA. Then again, on the off chance that the overhauls don't settle according to the forecasts, the cost may be decreased to $9.58. Be that as it may, assuming the pattern moves sideways, the expense could come to $11.42. Universe token value expectation for 2023, possible return for money invested, 33%. 2023 is supposed to present a change in the crypto markets. The business is set to get its speed following a couple of long periods of bullish stage. In the event that the overhauls pass as expected, the Universe organization might extend to a bigger client base. NFT modules, shrewd agreements, and the spread of V11 Gamma are only a couple of models. By 2023, the cost for Molecule might increment to $29.05. Be that as it may, in the event that things don't follow their normal flow of occasions and the market observes an adjustment of administrative principles, there can be liquidations. Such occurrences would bring about a value cutoff of around $15.66 for the year. Universe token value expectation for 2024. Likely return for money invested, 3%. Pursuing the positive direction that the market had adjusted in 23, we anticipate that it should go on with a comparative stream for 2024. In the event that the Universe Group attempts to work on the organization through normal updates and smoothed out tasks, before the year's over, the altcoins cost might take off to its hypothetical high of $44.69. Be that as it may, on the off chance that things take a turn for the crypto market and the IOTA token neglects to put money on its essentials, the costs could dive to $24.03. Furthermore, costs could spin around $33.14 on the off chance that it stays positive. Universe token value expectation for 2025. Likely return for money invested, 57%. 2025 would be a fundamental year for Universe. This year would upgrade the current usefulness of the venture, particularly as far as exchange speeds. What's more, it is normal to prosper because of the formative drives throughout the long term, which will build the organization's client base. Moreover, we anticipate that the symbolics cost should reach up to $68.51 by 2025. Assuming the market loses its development, the costs could drop to $37. Universe token value expectation for 2030. Likely return for money invested, 72%. 2030 would stamp another period for the crypto business. This would be the year where we could observe crypto exist as a computerized economy.